Other important thing in Muzdalifah is that that's the place where you're gonna gather the hasayat, the small rocks that you'll stone the jamarat with for the coming 3 to 4 days. And so go and look for rocks in Muzdalifah. Make sure that they're actually rocks and not just clay or like sand, sandstone. And the rocks must be bigger than a chickpea, a chana, hummus, not the type you spread, but the actual legume. It should be bigger than a chickpea, but not all that much bigger than a finger section. Although, if a person must err, it's better to do so in the size of something a little bit too big. Why? Because if it's too small, it's not valid, where if it's too big, it's makruh. A person will need a total of 49 stones if you wish to stone for 2 days after the Yom al-Nahar. If you wish to stone for all 3 days, then a person should look for 70 stones. Once you have found your stones, rinse them, as they oftentimes have some impurities on them, which is also undesirable. A very easy way of doing that is just taking a water bottle and like cutting the top out and just putting the stones inside of it, soaking it in water and washing it out.